do is to actually try and see if I could do a burnout. I hope it doesn't end badly though. Holy shit. Okay. We won't do it. Dude, it's either this one or it's not gonna happen. That's what I'm saying. Maybe I should have done it in the dirt or something, or when it's actually raining. Okay, it's not gonna fucking happen. Right. I'll tell you what, we got rid of the horrible cracks. Can't lie, it was fun, but it's terrifying because this tyre does not want to break traction. Let me just bring the camera right here. This tyre, I don't know what kind of tyre that is, but it does not want to break traction. But you can see we've pretty much got rid of a lot of the cracks and scratches and shit that were there. And you've got a nice freshly burnt piece of rubber.
The next day.
Holy fuck! Holy fuck! Oh my god! Holy shit! Oh my god! All I needed to do was fill the tyre up a bit and then just lean completely over the fucking tank. Like, not because I'm short, right? I can't just use my tiptoes because I'm slightly shorter than average. So it's literally, I was always putting a little bit of weight in the back. It turns out all I needed to do was just lie down over the tank like I'm going like in a tuck, and then, you know, hold the front brake obviously, give it more throttle than I was giving it. I have too much mechanical sympathy for this bike because there's only 300 left in the entire United Kingdom. There's only 300 of these bikes left. So if I wrecked this bike somehow, I'm screwed, and there's one less of these in the world, and they're already rare as it is. Yeah, speed 4. It's got 4 cylinders. Mad! Holy shit, man! Oh, look at this! Look at that! I got a nice burn going. It got rid of all the shitty rubber that was on the outside. So there's probably going to be more grip there now, but as you can see, we've now gone under the legal limit in some places. Yeah, in some places we've definitely gone under the legal limit, but still no metal showing or anything like that. There's no, like, you know, that white core thing that tyres normally have. It's not there, but you can see all the burnt rubber at the bottom there. And we made a decent cloud, so I hope this recorded properly, man. Oh fuck. Oh, I'm so proud of myself. I know, it sounds so stupid, be proud of such a stupid thing. And it's the dumbest stunt that you could do, obviously, because it's the most expensive one. You're burning your own tyres. But fuck, man. Anyway, guys, that was it. Learning my first stunt, a burnout. And I didn't quite successfully learn how to do it properly. I think that's mainly because my front tyre is very old. I can't put all my weight on the front, obviously, I'm not that tall. Next stunt that I'm going to try is not going to be drifting, like some of you guys said. I know how to do like a rear brake slide. I know how to do that easily. I do it all the time, sometimes mostly by accident, but wheelies are going to be the next thing that I'm going to try. And that road, I've never seen anyone go up and down, so I might be able to use that as a wheelie strip. There might be CCTV here though, because this is a busy shopping centre area. It's just that road is never used, but we'll have to see next time, because I want to get home, I want to eat, I want to go to sleep. Don't do everything in one day, it's not great, it's not a good idea. I need to change these tyres, obviously. They need to be changed, and hopefully when they're changed, that's when I can start learning other stuff like wheelies and knee downs, and be able to take this to my first track day, if that happens this year or next year maybe. Anyway, guys, if you found this helpful, obviously like, subscribe, do everything. This hoodie is from Fuck Average. I'm not sponsored by those guys, but I was the first giveaway winner of the hoodies, I think. So this isn't the one that I won, I gave that to my sister, but yeah, as you can see, pretty good. And it's run by Tarzan Motovlogs. He's a pretty solid guy, check him out. I like his videos, that's why I wear his stuff. Anyway, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video, whatever I make. See ya, peace.